Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Metamask account. It's a simple process, but I will guide you step by step to ensure you don't miss anything. So let's get started. First, make sure Metamask is installed on your browser. If it's not installed yet, you should install it first. Once it's installed, open the Metamask extension. A new tab will open and you will see an interface that looks something like this. Here, start by checking the agreement box and selecting the Import Existing Wallet option. This is the feature you will use to recover an existing account. After selecting this, click Agree to proceed. Now comes the most important step, entering your secret recovery phrase. When you first created your Metamask account, you were given a recovery phrase, usually a sequence of 12 words. This phrase is essential for recovering your wallet. Make sure you have it stored safely, either written down or saved in a secure location. In the provided boxes, type your recovery phrase exactly as it was given to you, maintaining the correct order of the words. For example, I created my account using a 12-word phrase, so I'll carefully input each word here. Take your time to double check that everything is accurate, because even a small mistake can prevent recovery. Once you have entered the phrase, click on Confirm Secret Recovery Phrase. If everything is correct, Metamask will take you to the next step, where you will need to set a new password. This password is specific to the device you're using, so pick something strong and memorable. Enter your password and confirm it. So that's it. Your Metamask account has been successfully recovered. From here, you can access all your digital assets, manage transactions, and use all the features Metamask offers just like before. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like this video, drop a comment, or share it with others who might need help recovering their wallets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. I'll see you in the next one.